Well, it is 5 days to Christmas here, guys, and we have a lot of storms on the way. Yeah, we have at least 2 or 3 of them on the way. The first one moves in Wednesday in the morning, bringing in increasing clouds, breezy conditions, mild conditions, as it will be a warm front, and a slight chance of light rain for much of the early morning into the early afternoon hours before tapering off. And then a second storm will move through late Wednesday night into most of the day Thursday, bringing moderate rainfall across the area, breezy conditions, and a continued mild conditions. That will be a second warm front. A third warm front is possible on Friday, with scattered showers continuing across the area, along with breezy conditions and mild weather. And keep in mind, I'm talking about valley locations right now. On Saturday, okay, what we're going to be looking at is a cold front approaching Saturday afternoon across the area. Ahead of the front, warm conditions will continue, with highs reaching around 65 to 70 degrees in the deserts, with a good chance of rain and breezy conditions ahead of a cold front, which has arrived or will arrive Saturday night through Sunday evening across the area. This cold front will drop snow levels down to 4,500 feet across the area late Saturday afternoon through Saturday night. The storm will move out of the area by Monday across the region, okay? But I do expect rain to stop by Sunday afternoon across the region. So what about the higher elevations? What about the weather up there? What are we looking at? Well, right now, we're looking for increasing clouds on Wednesday, with evening rain likely in Flagstaff area by Wednesday evening. About a 60 to a 70% chance of light rain across the area, with a little bit of snow mixing in the higher elevations above 8,500 feet. But rain should be in the city Wednesday evening. Thursday, showers are likely in Flagstaff. Continued warm, around 50 degrees, with more rain likely as another warm front from the south will move into Flagstaff. And then Thursday night, snow levels drop down to 6,500 feet, briefly mixing with snow and rain mixture in the Flagstaff area, with accumulations of around an inch or so. Then the real fun begins. Late Friday night through Sunday day, a massive winter storm will affect the area, but rain is going to fall on Saturday in the Flagstaff area, with a high of around 40 degrees. The cold front moves through late Saturday afternoon for just in time, the evening commute. Yes, snow levels will be falling rapidly with the cold front, now to 5,000 feet. The city of Flagstaff will still have copious amounts of moisture around at the time the cold air arrives, so I expect snow levels to drop to 65 to 6,000 foot level Saturday afternoon. And I believe accumulations of up to 6 inches will fall by late Saturday evening across the area, with snow continuing all day on Sunday, with accumulations of an additional 6 to 8 inches. So it looks like a 12-plus inch event is possible for the high country, including the city of Flagstaff. So get those shovels ready and those snow blowers. However, this is going to be a heavy, wet snow, so I expect a lot of snow, but it's going to be wet. So we'll see a little bit of melting, as temperatures will be in the low to middle 30s, even as the snow is falling across the area. So, perfect precipitation for the big, wet snowflakes. Yep. So I'm heading up to Flagstaff on Christmas Day, probably around between 10:30 and 11. And we'll spend the day up there with the snow falling, continuing across the area. Snow will continue into Sunday night up in that region of the Flagstaff city, with possibly some overnight snows for Sunday night, and ending Monday morning across the area. Another storm looks to arrive late on the 27th into the 28th across the area. This storm is not as strong, but it is cold. So another 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of rain in the valleys, to another 3 to 6 inches of snow in the Flagstaff area, adding on top of the big storm that they're going to get before that. So very active weather here, you guys. We'll keep you guys posted, and we will talk to you all later. Merry Christmas, everyone.